In this video, we show how to use Fawav to remove salt and pepper noise with median denoising. Here we have an example. This is the Lena test image. It's contaminated with 10% salt and pepper noise. 10% of the pixels are either 255 or 0, and you can see why it's called salt and pepper noise. Alright, so we'll use graph denoise median first, and it's graph number 2 that's contaminated. Denoise, and it when it works, it seems to work almost like magic. Boom! All the contaminated pixels are gone. Let's look at larger view here. There's Lena. There's very highly contaminated, it appears. And there it is, all gone. One pixel up here. We'll show how we get rid of those as well. There is discussed in the course another type of denoising called adaptive median, which does not change a pixel to its median unless it's decides that would be a good choice. That's discussed in the course. Here's we just show how to do it in Fawav. So again, it's number 2 that we want to denoise. That's this one. And there's the adaptive median one. Now let's look at some error measures. Number 1 and 2, so the original versus the noisy. PSNR is 15.49 basically. Now we go to graph number 3, 33.60, so a tremendous improvement as we can see visually. Graph number 4. There's an improvement, but actually it's much better than what would first appear there. If we use a different measure, it can be quite interesting. This is SSIM is a type of image quality measure that we discussed in the course. And if we compare graph 1 and 2 then with the noisy image quality, let's read that as 16%. 100% is perfect, 16%. It's a lousy image compared to the original. We go to graph number 3, 77%. Okay, so decent. Graph number 4, 94% quality. So with this quality measure, it is stating that this adaptive median denoising is significantly better than just the median denoising. Now let's see how that can be seen within the image. What we have to do is zoom in on a portion of the image that where we can see things a little more clearly. Let's zoom in near her hat here. This is in the original image. We won't look at the contaminated one. That's obviously a mess. Okay, so this is the median denoising, and you can see it's rather blurry compared to the original. We look at the adaptive median. It's significantly better. You can see more clearly the I don't know, striations or the lines shading on the texture of her hat there. There's the original median denoising where it's more blurred, and then a little bit sharper image there on her hat with the adaptive median, and that's the reason for the increased quality measure. We'll look at this further, another example in a next video. Thank you for watching.